Hi everyone, I'm Ashleigh Myerscough, Senior Performance Coach here at Seven Geese, and today I'm going to answer the question of how can I use OKRs to plan my day-to-day work? This is a very common question we get here at the flock. So if OKRs are new to you, it's important to recognize that OKRs are a strategic goal-setting method. So they sit above our day-to-day tasks. So let's unpack that a little bit. O stands for objective. This is the outcome that we want to get towards. The KR in OKR stands for key result. So these are a roll up of the day-to-day tasks that we do. The work that we actually do then falls out of the planning for our objective and our key results. So let's unpack this a bit further using a personal example, one that we can all relate to a little bit easier than a business objective. Let's say it's the start of the year and I go to my doctor, we run a couple of tests and he tells me that I have high blood pressure, I have a high cholesterol count, and my BMI is starting to push outside of the healthy range. My doctor sends me home with a challenge to improve my health. I then am going to turn this into an OKR. So my outcome, my objective is to be in better health. Notice that I didn't say my objective was to improve my health. I want to focus on an end state here, which is to be in better health. So that's my objective. Now my key results are going to be activities that are going to push me in the right direction of getting into better health. So my key results are going to be things like increasing the number of fruits and vegetables I have at each meal, increasing the number of steps that I take to 10,000 per day, completing 3 workouts per week. Those are going to be my key results. If I can do those activities, that's going to push me in the right direction to be in better health. Notice that I didn't list what my current cholesterol rating was or what my blood pressure mark is, where my BMI is currently sitting. Those are key indicators of my current health state, but they're not results that are going to change if I'm in better health and shape. They'll change as I get into better health and shape, but they're not going to direct my efforts. This is where KPIs, key performance indicators, fits into the bigger puzzle piece with OKRs. So let's work with this a little bit further. So I have my personal objective to be in better health. My key results are to increase the number of fruits and vegetables I have each week from 10 to 20. My next key result is going to be to increase my step count to 10,000. And I want to have a final key result that says I'm completing 3 workouts per week. So each week then I'm looking at my to-do lists and I'm going to have to figure out what do I need to do to increase the number of fruits and vegetables per meal? Well, I'm going to have to go grocery shopping. I'm going to have to purchase more fruits and vegetables. I may need to get some new knives, maybe a food processor to make having more fruits and vegetables each meal at the end of the week more attainable. For the second key result of increasing my steps to 10,000, I'm going to need to schedule walk breaks into my day-to-day. I may need to purchase a new set of runners to make sure my feet are comfortable while I'm walking 10,000 steps. And for my last key result to complete 3 workouts per week, I'm probably going to need to sign up for a gym, get a class registration, maybe find a workout buddy. So all of those activities that I just listed, those are our day-to-day tasks that we're doing. On their own, just purchasing a pair of runners, that's not going to put me in better health. But purchasing a pair of runners will enable me to complete 3 workouts per week and walk 10,000 steps. So that's how our day-to-day tasks are influenced by the outcome we want to get to and the key results that we know are going to push us in that right direction. Now, what about those key indicators in terms of my health goal, my BMI, my blood pressure, and my cholesterol? Well, partway through my quarter, I'm going to go back to the doctor and have a checkup. We find out that yes, my blood pressure is coming down. My cholesterol is also coming down, but my BMI hasn't moved just yet. I take that information from those key indicators and I go back to my key results. And I say one of these isn't working, maybe more than one. I decide that I'm going to increase the number of workouts I'm doing per week from 3 to 4. Then at the end of the quarter, I go back to my doctor. I've been able to say successfully that yes, I increased the number of fruits and vegetables from 10 meals to 20. I am now walking 10,000 steps per day, and I've completed 4 workouts per week. We do another check on those key indicators, and we can see, yes, my blood pressure is officially down. Yes, my cholesterol has come down. And yes, my BMI is now back in a healthy range. I can then confidently say that I've reached my objective and I'm in better health. So hopefully that gives you a little understanding between the objective, that outcome we want to get to, those key results, which is that roll up of activities that we're doing that inform our day-to-day tasks. We're then using our key performance indicators to measure that yes, we are moving in the right direction and can course correct when needed. If you'd like more information on OKRs and how to translate this personal OKR example into a business one, reach out for a tour.